Chapter 6. Organized Planning, Turning Ideas into Action. Chapter 6 explores the crucial role of organized planning in transforming ideas and goals into concrete actions and achievements. Napoleon Hill emphasizes that success is not just about having dreams and aspirations, but also about creating structured plans to realize them effectively. Understanding organized planning. Organized planning involves the systematic process of setting goals, developing strategies, allocating resources, and implementing actions to achieve desired outcomes. It provides a roadmap that guides your efforts, minimizes distractions, and maximizes productivity and efficiency. Key elements of organized planning. Goal setting. Begin with clear and specific goals that are aligned with your vision and values. Set SMART goals, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound, to provide clarity and focus. Strategic thinking. Develop strategic plans that outline the steps, tasks, and timelines required to achieve your goals. Consider potential obstacles and create contingency plans to address challenges along the way. Resource allocation. Identify the resources, such as time, money, skills, and tools, needed to execute your plan successfully. Allocate resources efficiently to maximize effectiveness and minimize waste. Steps to effective organized planning assessment and analysis. Evaluate your current situation, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. SWOT analysis. This analysis helps you identify areas for improvement and leverage your strengths. Developing action plans. Break down your goals into actionable steps and create a timeline for completion. Prioritize tasks based on urgency and importance to maintain focus and momentum. Monitoring progress. Regularly review and monitor your progress towards achieving your goals. Make adjustments to your plans as needed based on feedback and changing circumstances. Tools and techniques. Gantt charts. Use Gantt charts to visualize project timelines, task dependencies, and progress tracking. This tool helps you stay organized, manage deadlines, and allocate resources effectively. Project management software. Utilize project management software such as Trello, Asana, or Microsoft Project to streamline communication, collaboration, and task management within teams or for personal projects. Mind mapping. Create mind maps to brainstorm ideas, organize thoughts, and visualize connections between different aspects of your plan. This technique enhances creativity and clarity in planning. Case studies and real-life examples. Throughout Chapter 6, you'll find case studies and real-life examples illustrating how individuals and organizations have successfully implemented organized planning to achieve significant results. These examples highlight the importance of structured planning in overcoming challenges and seizing opportunities. Practical exercises and action steps. Each section of Chapter 6 includes practical exercises and action steps to help you apply organized planning principles effectively. These exercises are designed to strengthen your planning skills, improve decision-making, and enhance your ability to execute projects and achieve goals. Summary and application. By the end of Chapter 6, you'll have gained a comprehensive understanding of organized planning as a critical component of success. You'll be equipped with practical tools, techniques, and strategies to develop and implement structured plans that turn your ideas into actionable steps and measurable outcomes.